Hello everyone, welcome back to Vyapti Curious Minds. Cement, the secret glue holding the world together. We walk on it, live in it, and drive over it every single day. It's the second most consumed substance on earth after water. But most of us think that it's just grey mud. Today, we are breaking down the incredible science of cement. It's not just dirt, it is a chemical marvel that quite literally holds our civilization together. Cement versus concrete. First things first, stop calling the sidewalk cement. Think of it like baking. Cement is the flour. When you mix it with water, sand, and crushed stone, you get concrete. Cement is the binder. It's the glue that triggers a chemical reaction called hydration. Unlike glue that dries by losing water, cement gets stronger because of water. It grows microscopic crystals that lock everything into artificial rock. How it's made? So, how do we make this magic powder? We take limestone and clay and cook all these things in a massive rotating kiln at 1450 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than lava. This intense heat creates clinker, small marble sized rocks. We grind that clinker into the fine grey powder you see in bags. The most common type is Portland cement. The fun fact is, it's not a brand name. It was named in 1824 because the finished concrete looked like a specific stone from the Isle of Portland in England. There is a catch because we use so much of it. Cement production accounts for about 8% of global carbon dioxide emissions. But the future is looking green. Scientists are now developing carbon negative cement that actually absorbs carbon dioxide as it hardens and self-healing concrete that uses bacteria to fix its own cracks. From Roman aqueducts to the Burj Khalifa, cement is the foundation of our. Next time, when you step on a sidewalk, remember that the 2000-year-old chemistry beneath your feet. If you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the stuff that builds our world. See you in the next one. Thank you. Save Earth, save life.